Hey, welcome back everybody. Today in the hot seat, the GVDA GD109 Smart Pen Multimeter. Oh yeah. Big shout out to GVDA. Thanks for sending this in for the review. Smart pen. Wow, we're seeing a lot of this style of multimeter in 2022, and you know what? That's probably a good thing because there has been sort of a absence of pen style meters to come on the market, but no more. Seeing lots more of these, and this one I think is going to be pretty cool. So in the box, what do you get? Well, first of all, you do get this pull-out user manual, user guide. Yeah, they even made some edits, as you can tell, here in the capacitance range. Nice, easy to breezy to read, good font, no typos, good stuff. And GVDA is including these test leads, Cat 3 600 volt, maximum 10 amps. Plasticky, they're not bad. They're not bad. Have that shroud on the top here, pull it off and we lose a cat rating, but we do get some extra probe area. And oh wow, geez Louise, that is sharp. Okay, they are standard PVC, not too long, not too short. Yeah, not bad. GD109 is brand new from GVDA. Yeah, look at that, check it out. Nice box here, giving us a little quick lowdown of what we get. Follows that 61010-1 safety standard. That's pretty well the minimum safety standard you can get these days, but at least it is something. And of course the multimeter itself. Yeah, good quality plastic, I have to say. First off, that's what I noticed right away. Feels very, very nice. QC passed, okay, we see that all the time. GD109 Smart Digital Multimeter. Powered by two AAA bells. True AAA cells. Wow, can you imagine a bell-powered multimeter? Oh my gosh, I need a coffee. As well, the GD109 does not ship with a case or a carrying strap. That's too bad. Definitely pocketable, as you can tell. This is a tiny little instrument. But you know what? A carrying strap at least would have been good. Truth be told, I dropped this already when flying out of my hands. A lot of people question just how good, what's the usability like on these EBTN displays on the outside? Hey, it's a good question. No, it's a great question. Well, here you go. I think pretty good. Perhaps slightly washed out, but generally speaking, very readable. Contrast is still there, and overall, yeah, I like it. Also, you can see size-wise, yeah, once again, the GVDA small and compact. We don't have this big honkin' selector switch, which really defeats, portability when you get to a certain size. Try sticking this in your pocket. It's going to be painful. No, GVDA has really nailed it right on the head here in terms of overall portability and functionality. Wow, in terms of pure simplicity, elegance, ease of use, hard to get any better than this. 3 buttons, function, hold and backlight, flashlight, as well as your on-off. That's it, that's all, nothing else to worry about, nothing on the sides, nada. That is nice. Okay, so I've had that precision voltage standard heating up now for about 50 minutes. Should be ready to go. 10.00 is what we want to say with this 4,000 count display. And instead we see 10.02. Hey, that works. In spec, looking good. Now when you turn the meter on for the first time, boom, it goes into NCV, non-contact voltage, not auto mode, which is a little bit different. But you know what? You're going to be using this as an NCV tester a lot of the time, I'm sure. So that's probably a pretty cool idea. To get into smart mode, hit the function switch once, and now you're in auto/smart. So voltage, AC/DC, resistance, and continuity is what you can have while in smart mode. AC voltage now, 122.6 volts, true RMS. Hey you, don't get any ideas. What? Oh, it's so creepy. Also in AC mode, we can switch to frequency, and there we go, 60 hertz. Diode mode is next. Here we go. We have a standard diode here. And forward voltage drop, no audible beep. That would have been a bonus. But anyway, there you go. Over to the red LED, and it is lit barely with a forward voltage drop. Oh, same with the yellow. The green, oh yes, barely lit, but no forward voltage drop. and nothing for the blue, and nothing for the white. So 3 out of 5 in terms of illumination, 2 out of 5 in terms of a forward voltage drop. Yeah. And there we are, the output voltage in diode mode, 2.2 volts. It's all about the resistance, baby. Here we go. Sitting at 1 mega ohm. Looking good. Now, a lot of times these smart meters have a tendency to slowly range. Let's see if this one suffers the same fate. 3 mega ohm. Hey, 6 mega ohm. Oh yeah, this is fast. Let's go back to 3. Oh yeah. 7 mega ohm. Beauty. 5 mega ohm. Oh yeah, so in terms of ranging speed, this thing is super fast. Amazing. Good stuff. All right, let's try 100K. Oh yeah, 110K. 310K. 610K. Oh yes, this is a sweet resistance meter. And it's accurate too. Loving it. You'll notice on the GVDA here we have an NCV tip, unlike the probe tips on the UNI-T and the NA. So that could be a good thing or a bad thing depending how you look at it. For quick, easy NCV access, obviously this is the way to go. If you want to probe instantly, you might be better off with something like that. Let's try this problematic light switch. A lot of NCV detectors have a problem with this one. So it's definitely better than some of them. Around the base, we're not getting any hits though. We have to be right on. Interesting. Okay, mains panel is next. And there we are. One of the cool features with the GVDA is the fact it has that phase sequence measurement, 3-phase sequence. And as the name suggests, a 3-phase power supply, which utilizes 3 separate wires. In effect, you're getting 3 sine wave voltages. And eventually it causes the power output to be constant and never dropping to 0. In North America, however, 3-phase power is normally found in industrial settings and data centers. Most common here in Canada and the US is, they call it a 480Y-277. It's a thrown system for equipment in commercial and industrial systems. Unfortunately, I don't have 3-phase power supply here in North America. Here in Canada, residential systems are normally fed by 2 phases and a neutral, basically a single phase with 3 wires. At the end of the measurement, basically you're going to see whether or not you have a left-handed or a right-handed phase sequence. Cool. Already taking a look at the inside, starting off with that battery housing. Look at that nice brass threaded insert, beautiful deep wheel well for 2 AAA batteries. Now on the cover, it's showing you that the batteries go in like so. Actually, it's wrong. It goes in like so. So positive is on the right. 2 of them like that. All right, here we are down and dirty with the GVDA. Let's take a look. Starting off with those input jacks. They are of the split variety. They have that nice plastic housing as well, making sure they're in there snug and solid. We have our one buzzer over here. Test points as well for factory calibration. And the main IC cobbed. Moving up a bit here, there are our battery conductors over here. And finally, look at that, our flashlight / NCV setup way at the top over here. And I'm going to open this up a little bit further and take a look as well deeper. But generally speaking, nice and clean on this side. Let's flip it over. Starting from the top to bottom, here we have a 3-peak IC. Looked all over for a data sheet. Can't find one anywhere. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Main NCV detector right here, a metal filament, kind of an L-shaped going on here. Smaller than I was hoping, really. But, you know, yeah, sensitivity-wise, once again, it was kind of ho-hum. Take it back the other side here. HT122B version 1.0 is the PCB fab. And moving down here, we have a relay. And what else? A couple of PTCs. Wow, that is a bonus. Not 1, but 2 PTCs on the reverse side of the PCB. Overall, nice and clean. And you know what? I gotta say, not bad, not bad. Now, NCV as well, as I mentioned before, you know, I was expecting a little bit better in terms of sensitivity. Perhaps that filament could be bigger or just wider or something, but oh well, it is what it is. Okay, gonna put it back together, come back with my closing thoughts. Final thoughts on the GVDA GD109. Oh, this is a cool pen smart multimeter. The fact that you've got that smart mode that you can also override into manual, that is a bonus. 4,000 counts, NCV, non-contact phase sequence detection, sampling speed of 3 times per second, color LCD, the list goes on. Hey, a lot of bang for the proverbial buck. Retail price on this is about 27-28 Canadian, around 23-24 US dollars. Definitely fair. Yeah, I really wish that NCV was a little better. The NCV detection definitely left something to be desired. Just didn't have the sensitivity that I was expecting. But man, oh man, that color LCD display, oh, it is a beauty. If you're looking for a small pen-style pocket multimeter that does more than just your basic NCV, I think you've come to the right place. The GVDA GD109 gets a solid 3.5 out of 5 stars. Hey, thanks for watching this review, everybody. Lots coming up in the next month. Whoa, we got some cool new segments as well. Stay tuned for those. Meters galore, you name it, it's coming up. Till the next one, keep on testing. Speaker buzzer. But man, oh man, that color LED display. But man, oh man, that color LCD display. If you're looking for a small style pen no case whatsoever, that probably would have been a nice little addition. We're talking about $25, 30 ducks.